Okay, question number 3A. Anne, Barry, and Colin share a prize in the ratio 3 to 4 to 5. Colin gives a third of his share to a charity. What fraction of the whole prize does Colin give to the charity? So this question is a ratios question. So what we need to be aware of is what all these ratios add up to. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 gives you 12. So we have 12 parts in this ratio. And out of those 12 parts, Colin, which is the last name that was said, has 5 parts. Okay? So the fraction of Colin's share in the total ratio is 5 divided by 12 parts. Okay? Now, we're told that Colin gives a third of his share to charity. So we just need to find a third of 5 over 12. And the easiest way to do that is by multiplying 5 over 12 by a third, which will give you 5 over 36. Okay, so the answer is 5 over 36.